Do you know what scares your customers the most? It is not your pricing, it is not your product quality. It is the quarrel between the family. And if you think that they can't see it, you are wrong. They can see through it all. And today we will talk just about that. Hi guys, my name is Angad and I am India's #1 family business mentor, where I'm mentoring the next generation and also bridging the gap between the fathers and the next generation, be it their sons, daughters, or could be the uncle and niece nephew relation. As long as there's a family working in the business, I work with them to thrive. So let's get right on to it. Today I'll show you the mistake that most family businesses make that pushes their customers away. So अगर आप देखेंगे कि family fights don't really stay in the office or in the boardroom, they do slightly slip out. What does that look like? It looks like delayed decision making. You have a customer who brings you a query or who brings you some business, and then the customer today, we are living in the age of Blinkit. We are living in the age of 10-minute fast delivery apps, and in today's age, if you delay the customer or if you play football with the customer, when I say football, मतलब कि अच्छा जी ये अब Mr. X दिखेंगे या ये my father or my elder brother will take this decision, and then the decision comes back to you and then you give it back to them. The customer can see through it and the customer gets impatient and the customer is already thinking of an exit strategy from your company. The customers do not want to buy your drama, they want to buy your product, and the moment they sense any kind of drama, they start looking elsewhere. So in case you're doing some drama and your customer is still buying from you, it is because they don't have an option right now, and the moment they find an option, it will not be the best news you get. तो होता क्या है कि जब ये कस्टमर आता है या आपको फ़ोन करता है या आपके फादर या एल्डर ब्रदर या जो भी आपके बिजनेस में बड़े हैं उनको फ़ोन करता है, दे प्रिटेंड हे एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन, वी मीट फॉर डिनर एवरी डे एंड वी मीट फॉर लंच एवरी डे एंड ऑल इज़ वेल. सो एज लॉन्ग एज यू पुटिंग दैट फेक स्माइल, the customer may get deviated maybe once, maybe twice, but the results will show. The results will show in the sense of how much new business you're getting from those customers. It will also show you how exactly the customer is responding. If there are emails with conflicting instructions, if the customer is not clear कि यार मेल करूं किसको, मैं जवाब एक्सपेक्ट किससे करूं. मैं अगर मैं ए को मेल कर रहा हूं तो वो कह रहा है बी से पूछो, बी को मेल कर रहा हूं वो कह रहा है ए का काम है यहाँ पे. सो व्हेन द कस्टमर सेंस दिस ड्रामा गोइंग ऑन, it is a big red flag. And if you're a customer who's dealing with the family business and does not understand कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, I'm sure आपके भी आगे vendors होंगे जो family businesses हैं, और अगर आप ये सेंस करते हैं, it could be in between two siblings, it could be between father and son, could be between uncle, nephew or niece, it is considered a big red flag. Your shipments will be delayed, it will hamper your product quality, and it won't be smooth ride. This also leads to certain delays क्योंकि हमें पता ही नहीं यार फाइनल अथॉरिटी कौन है, फाइनल डिसीजन मेकर कौन है. तो अगर आपको फाइनल डिसीजन मेकर नहीं क्लियर, अगर आपको ये नहीं पता कि फाइनल अथॉरिटी कौन है, तो डिसीजन जस्ट कीप्स ऑन गोइंग राउंड एंड राउंड. एवरीवन रिपोर्ट्स टू एवरीवन. सब लोगों का डिसीजन है अगर लेना है, सब लोगों का डिसीजन है अगर नहीं भी लेना तो. एंड दे इज लाइक प्लेइंग दैट गेम ऑफ पास इन द पार्सल जो हम बचपन में खेलते थे, एंड इट बिकम्स अ सर्कस. So before I go ahead and tell you what is the impact on the customers and what is and how to solve, this impact in the customers, how to streamline this, I would first take a moment to invite you for a free brainstorming call with me. It is a 10-minute call and you can book a consultation call by giving me a WhatsApp on the number given below. Also, I have a 12-week projects program, which is a mastermind where I walk through the next generation in the family business for 12 weeks and I run them through becoming a leader in the business. Now, what it looks like, if you would like any more details on that, you can also WhatsApp me projects on the number given below. So now we'll get down to the customer's perspective. अब आप एक बार customer के shoes में आए, wear the customer's shoes and get to a point where you're seeing that father and son are talking two different languages. Father and son are not even aware of what is going on in each other's respective areas of business, and they are hearing different versions from the father and different versions from the son. Then they start to sense a tension in your employees. Now, the customer does feel a little unstable. They feel that there is something really off here. And the customer's biggest fear is not losing the money. The customer's biggest fear today, if you're dealing with a big company, your biggest fear is, if I'm putting so much effort in developing business with someone. We look at business development for at least running through 3, 5, and in a great business case, 10 years, 20 years also. But if your customer is putting in their time, energy, effort, developing a business contract with you, their biggest effort, their biggest fear here is that it doesn't go through or it doesn't last long. अब इसका consequence क्या होता है? इसका consequence होता है यार कि customer eventually walks away when they sense this. It is not again because of your price of the product, or it is not because of your quality. It is just because the customer senses that it's not long term. So he's like, यार तुम अपना पहले sort कर लो, फिर हम बात करेंगे. और एक बार trust break हो जाए ना, this word spreads in the market. रेवेन्यू से ज़्यादा आपकी रेपुटेशन कोलैप्स हो रही होती है. फिर आप रेपुटेशन का डैमेज, जब तक आपको समझ आता है कि रेपुटेशन डैमेज हो चुकी है, तब तक इट्स टू लेट. वन फाइट एट द टॉप can cause suppliers, bankers, employees to question loyalty, because they're like, अगर यार ये अपनी फैमिली को नहीं एक तरह संभाल पा रहे तो आगे क्या हमारा बिजनेस संभालेंगे. So this is a call to all of you fathers, or the owner, the founder level people, कि maintain that sanctity. And the moment you sense a red flag in your son, or if you sense a red flag in your younger brother, talk it out. Set clear terms, conditions. Do not bring business home. And do book a session with me, and I will share more in depth. इतना अभी टाइम नहीं है कि मैं आपको in depth जाऊँ, but मैं quickly आपको 4 solution दूंगा यहाँ पे. Number 1 solution is one voice to customers. What really works is हर customer के लिए one voice हो. अब इसमें ये भी हो सकता है कि आप दोनों को sales देखनी हो, आप दोनों को marketing देखनी हो, तो मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि आप दोनों सारे कस्टमर से बात करें या आप में से एक ही सारे कस्टमर से बात करें. आप कस्टमर्स बांट सकते हैं कि यार ये अगर मेरे 10 कस्टमर्स हैं तो these 5 customers I will be the voice, and these 5 customers I can be the voice. So that brings in the sense of consistency, that brings in a sense of clarity to the customers. Another point what I was talking about earlier was governance before crisis. कि यार अगर आपको red flag दिख रहा है, your son is not performing, or he's not showing up at work, or he's not producing results, or your brother's not, or your niece or nephew is not, speak to them. Take them out for dinner. Take them out for a cup of coffee. Don't do it in office. This needs to be done outside office. Talk it out. Ask them what their concerns are. Ask them how you can address it. Make a plan. Strategize. Because alignment at the top is one of the biggest reasons for growth of business. So you need to get that sorted right away, and it is the father's job. I'm sorry, sir, if you are a father and you're listening to this and you're hoping for your younger son or your younger sibling to come and sort things with you. I mean, I'm sure they could, but I would say if you are the president of the company, take the initiative here. You will not regret it. And my last point here was professionalize the family business. Structures always beat emotions. So customers, they trust systems more than stories. So if you show them a system that can fulfill on their order, if you show them a way that can fulfill on their order, you can show them flow charts, and you can show them processes that can fulfill on their orders, or that can fulfill on whatever their requirement is, it will beat any kind of story. It will beat any kind of explanation for you not being able to deliver. So the biggest mistake in a family business is pretending all is well when there is a lot going on inside, because customers can sense it, and it will cost you a lot more in the long run. So the moment you sense a fire even sparking, usko na bujha do before it turns into a wildfire. And if you're a founder and if you're a father and you're watching this video, do bujhao the fire. Do put the fire off right away. Lastly, I help fathers and I help the next generation resolve any kind of conflict. So my mission is कि यार father son ना actually वो जो एक saying है ना 1 और 1 11, मेरा mission है ये कि father son 1 और 1 11 हो और 1 और 1 11 करके काम करें. फादर का विजन है, सन के साथ अलाइन करो. सन इज यंगर, सन में अभी एनर्जी है, सन में पढ़ा लिखा है, वो आज की डेट में अपडेटेड है, उसको यूज़ करें और साथ में मेक अ फेरारी आउट ऑफ योर बिजनेस. Go zoom, go thrive. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you did not like this video, give it a thumbs down. If you're a father watching this video, share it with your son. If you're a son watching this video, share it with your father. And I look forward to seeing you in person someday. Bye.